Day 2 of the holiday, and all last night, Nicola wasn't very well. We think she might have had food poisoning from the fish in the day or the evening meal, so not good. So we're going down for breakfast now, full English, and let's see what Nicola can eat. The problem with breakfast like this is you want to get your money's worth versus staying healthy. So I'm battling getting your money's worth versus staying healthy. Just had breakfast and we're off, leaving the room, the hotel room. You can see it here. But unfortunately, Nicola had possible food poisoning, so she's been ill all night. There's no pool. No outdoor pool, so you can't use that. No steam room or sauna, because that's out of order.
The weather's better in St Ives.
Weather's a lot better in St Ives. And on the whole, this hotel hasn't been overwhelming. A little bit underwhelming, so we're not too sorry to be on to the next leg of our holiday. We've just arrived. You probably can't hear me because of the wind. Here's a sandwich. So, Nicola's still ill. I'm talking a bit quietly because she's in bed at the moment, and I'm just outside doing a bit of editing on my camera and having a beer. Ooh, lovely. And we're on to number 2. Lovely. Look at this, the place we're staying at, it's got Frosties bowl, so I had to have some Frosties. Number 3. It's been a long day. It's meant to have a barbecue, but it's such rubbish weather outside. And we've chucked it in the oven. Are you ready? And also a banger, great British banger. It's so hot, but nice. Got some ice cream.